Over the past few years, cement has become a revolutionary medium when it comes to interior decor and design. There are a variety of articles you can make using cement. With an understanding of right tools, products and process, you can make beautiful products for your home and gifting. These products can be customized and they have a long shelf life. You can make trays, coasters, jewelry holders and planters with aesthetic looking textures. You can also have handmade personalized products made of white cement in your home. Cement articles have a minimalist modern vibe and are in huge demand nowadays. Once you master making these articles, you are set on the path of selling them and owning your own business. We have designed a thorough course for artists who are passionate about learning to make cement articles. Types of cement. White cement is an ordinary Portland cement in which iron and manganese oxides are added to increase the whiteness of the cement during manufacturing. White cement is easily available at any local hardware store. White cement helps in making marvelous architectural designs. White cement mixed with color pigments can give beautiful color combination while retaining the strength of the design structure once it is cured. This medium is usually used in false ceilings, decorative pillar structures, etc. Grey cement. Grey cement is grey because of the presence of high amounts of iron, manganese and chromium which are found only in small traces in white cement. Grey cement is commonly used for construction, but this medium too has the potential to create beautiful cement articles. During this Penkraft cement art course, you will learn the following. Types of cement and their characteristics, proportions of cement and water for creating concrete, types of mold, preparing the molds, pouring cement into the molds, aeration, unmolding, cleaning the ready-made products with sandpaper, curing, effects, terrazzo chips and marble effect, decorating, texturing, painting the products, etc. And using these techniques, you will make the following cement articles: white cement candle tea light holder, grey and white cement container, grey tea light holder, marble effect tray, trinket shell tray, ombre pen stand, terrazzo chips and coaster, cloth vase. How to decorate your cement articles.